This is the utility clip on the new Pulsar Oryx. You'll find it in the box, and it's dead easy to attach to whichever side of the Oryx you choose. With the included Allen key that you'll also find in the box, just undo one of the grub screws, push in the clip, and then reinsert that grub screw and tighten it up nicely. Now, it clamps really well. That's got such a good clamping force, so you can fix it to your pocket, to some strapping on your rucksack or your bino harness. And when you want to use it, it's very simple to pick it up and detect with your Oryx. And once you've found something, you can identify what it is with your binos, all seamlessly, with no fuss, no noise, and without any delay. You can even use the included neck strap to tether it to your harness, and that'll anchor it securely so it's never going to go anywhere, even if it gets knocked. You know, with Pulsar, quality is in the detail, which is why Pulsar excel in their field. If you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe. I'm David Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.